everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is SUNMI Yi, and geez, it's really late. I had a really long weekend. I worked both Saturday and Sunday, but I wanted to show you guys the nighttime routine because I did promise you guys that I would do this for about 2 weeks. My dog just walked in. Anyways, it is a 10-piece. Actually, I made a mistake by saying 10-step. It is not actually a 10-step. It's actually a 10-piece Korean skincare in a box sold from Costco for $150. You don't have to be a member to purchase this. Anyone can actually purchase this. There's few items also as well. Actually, more than few that you can purchase without having a membership through Costco. So that's kind of really nice. So my face is already dampened. You use the same cleanser for both the morning and the nighttime, so I went ahead and did that. And the reason why you dampen your face was because you want to make sure you get the product evenly distributed. So after I wash my face, it's time for the toner. This is the same thing as the morning routine. The toner is the Maycoop Raw Sauce. And like I said, I really like the fact that these are spill proof, so you don't overly use, because that's the problem with some of the toners is that they don't have the safety mechanism, so you end up using a whole bunch and there's a lot of product being wasted. It's done. The next step is the essence, and then the same thing in the morning routine I did use this essence, and same as the night routine. I'm going to go ahead and give myself 1 pump of this. That's plenty enough. I'm going to go dab it to evenly distribute. So after the essence, the next step is the serum. This is the same thing as the morning routine. And make sure you shake. And then I'm going to close my eyes and probably look really ridiculous, but... And then you kind of tap that in. Number 5 is the eye cream. It's called the TOV Special Edition. Camellia Wrinkle-Free Eye Solution. Let me go ahead and read the directions on this because I haven't used this product yet. Okay, so how to use. It says press the bottom of the application for the formula to come out and rub around eyes smoothly with the silicone tip. This sounds complicated. Why does this look like a syringe to me? Well, you know what? It is supposed designed to be a syringe. So I'm going to take the top off, and it says press the bottom of the application. Oh, okay, and that's the silicone tip right there. Press it. What the fudge? I don't understand. Oh, okay. First, you're supposed to twist it, and that releases the this mechanism right here. Okay, and it kind of squeezes out, kind of like a zit. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and dab some under my eyes. I'm not sure how much of this I'm supposed to use, but I gave it 1 full pump of it, so I'm guessing that's how much I should be using. So the next step is the moisturizer, and it's the same one by Maycoop. And the last step is the face oil, and it is this yellow, yeah, it's actually yellow. So this little bottle right here, and twist this off, 2 drops. Oh, it has a very citrusy smell. So that is it for the nighttime skin routine. See, it was really fast. I think I did it under 5 minutes. I think if I did less talking, it would have been a lot faster than that. So anyways, that is it for now. I hope you guys have a good night, and see you guys next time. Bye, guys! How am I telling her?
That's a good booty shake. Hug kiss! Ah!